Touchdown.
We bought the Volkswagen Touareg. I actually did experience the back tail move back and forth. And so today we're gonna go to the HQ, we're gonna get the EP3 tire part out, get yourself a coffee. Good morning and welcome to Radio FM. 80-90% of us work in a full-time job, so you don't get the opportunity to chase your dreams and your goals. Getting out of our beds and chasing that opportunity in the weekend. You don't do it, someone else is gonna do it, and that's the way it is.
Where is your connection?
There's one mount at the front, one mount to the side, one mount to the right side, one mount at the back, 4 mounts to get the engine out. The last bolt, the rear mount. There you go. Right, that was madness.
The nut came off here.
That was mad, that was. Guess the case off the
Touchdown.
Mission accomplished. That doesn't even look like the same car now.
Oh no.
Right, so we've got the K20 out right there, you'll see it's still in the crane. We're going to take the rocker cover off it, we're going to paint it, we're going to get the stage 4 clutch onto the engine as well, change the belts, change the chain, then get it ready to put it into the EK Civic. But for now, the red tyre part has done its job. We're going to take what we can, salvage whatever we can, put it all on eBay. Come on, there you are. See you all later. This is the window regulator, 2 bolts, one there, one there. Put that on eBay as well. The master cylinder, a slave cylinder. And this is the brake cylinder. We defeated the subframe. I've never done this before, my first time. Never watched any videos. Just comes to show that anybody can do this. Just gotta put a bit of effort and anything's possible. The coilovers off, 3 bolts from the top, 3 bolts from the top. Drop the coilovers off, take the wheels off it, pick discs and calipers off it. We could use it for spares for other tripod, or put some stuff on eBay, because if it makes more money than what we bought it for without including the K20, it's a win-win. And that's the goal, and that's what we're trying to do right here.
Something's getting caught. Oh, wires. There we go.
How did I get there? Oh my days!
That is nuts.
It's his house, isn't it?
Yeah, it kind of was. It's a good thing we didn't use the AC.
What a poor guy, bro. Look at his eyes all been popped out.
That's it there. Is that more rats in it? Yeah. Oh my god.
There's been rats everywhere.
How did they even get up there?
Don't know. Wow. That's it.
Rust is fixed. Good for MOT.
It'll pass flying colours. Oh, there's plenty of fuel in there, you know. There you go. Got it out. The main torque, I'm going to grab it from the front, lay the wheels in the back. We're going to push it all the way. I'm going to put it straight onto the trailer. Once it's on the trailer, we can remove the rear wheels, rear coilover. Then from that point, we can just take the car to the scrap place. Let's get straight to it and just get rid of this EP3. with the help of the winch. That did help and that did the job. If it wasn't for the trolley and if it wasn't for the winch, we wouldn't be able to do it, but by the Almighty we were able to get the toy car and the trailer. So now on the next day in the week we will be taking it to Tironi's. I know we could have sold the shell, we could have chopped into pieces, we could have got the glass out, but we didn't get time to do it. We are ready to go to Tironi's. We made it to Tironi's. Alright. Yeah man, gonna miss this car.
Don't give me right away, Sig.
Yeah. Alright, see you later, Typer. 3020 kgs. 2640 kg, so that only was 380 kg. £83.60. So we are on our way to collecting the Volkswagen Touareg 3 litre V6 TDI, 231 brake horsepower. So we're meeting him to a destination that he told us. It's right by a farm actually. Basically the two front wheels are punctured, so he needs tyres, and we've got them at the back right now. So they're Porsche Cayenne wheels. They got 5x130. They're the only ones that can fit a Volkswagen Touareg. We bought the Volkswagen Touareg and here it is. I don't want to even explain to you right now, I'm just going to do a walk around. So take the window because it doesn't have a window and drive it back home. Best interior. So I'm at Costco right now filling up so we can go collect the Volkswagen Touareg, which is up north, about an hour and 25-minute drive. $1.45 for premium petrol. That's a bargain. In a quarter of a mile. You are, I'm here for the Touareg.
Have you got the details for it there on your phone?
Lima uniform.
Yeah, you got a high vis in your car, yeah?
Got the Touareg back with the trailer. We dropped it in last night. We drove about, it took us about 2 hours, 3 hours, but we had to drive very, very slowly because I actually did experience the back tail move back and forth because that car was so heavy. Apparently it weighs 2.5 tons and it was a bit too heavy, and we did it in the end. So here she is. So basically this is going to be the donor Touareg for the other Touareg that you just seen, which we just brought. We needed, it's got some good headlights. This is probably the 07 plate. The one that we got is the 05 plate. So we can take some bits and bobs. We need the wing. We need the driver's side door, which you see in the mirror, and the rear passenger door. This can be all put onto the other Touareg. Give a bit of a background. It's basically a 2007 plate, 3 litre V6 TDI. It's got modified back exhaust as well from a V10. I might even cut that and put that onto the other Touareg because it might sound much better. I'm pretty sure it's got like a 2.5, 3 inch exhaust going all the way to the back. That is definitely one to take. We did look on eBay and people were selling the door, just the door, right? Just the door without the window, £100. The wing mirror was about £100, and the wing, people were saying, so it was going to cost me £300-400 to buy the doors to repair the other one. But this from the auction cost me £1,150 with the fees. So, and what we're going to do, we're going to take the bumper, the rear boot, the rear lights, and everything that we like just need to store for the other one just in case. So we just put it on eBay and we'll definitely make all our money back, and we're going to try and prove it in the next upcoming episodes. Obviously trying to fix the EK Civic. It is getting a bit more jam-packed again. We had to move the saw right here, the Skyline's there. This is a police recovered Touareg. It didn't come with any keys. Bonnet is locked. It's got a really good interior compared to the other one, all black, so we might even swap these alloys. Are worth a lot of money as well, about £400 for Touareg alloy wheels, because they're the same as Q7 and Porsche Cayennes, so we definitely might be swapping those. That's what money can buy you from the auction. So basically with the FN2 Type R, we're not 100% sure what we're going to be doing with that. We did trade it for the Premier Edition Type R for my brother, and we value this FN2 Type R for £2,500. I'm not 100% sure we're going to get that back for this car. It's got VSA lights, it's got ABS lights. It is a categorized S in the previous video. It drives, pulls well, its elevation, the VTEC, all works as it should. The car is absolutely mint. If somebody does want it, £2,500, like message me on Instagram, Hoodstick, or email, or just drop a comment down below, and you guys would get this FN2 Type R. Personally, we can't sell this for £2,500. It's better to just break the car. If you think it's better to break the FN2 Type R, let me know. And so we will basically get to work with this so we don't waste time. We did contemplate to do something with the FN2. As you see here, we still got the K20. We are going to strip it out. We are going to get the gearbox out. We don't want to leave it as an open diff and put it back into the EK Civic and boost it. We want to get it. We want the LSD in there, so we are going to buy the LSD stage 4 clutch, put it all into the gearbox, clean it all up, paint the rocker cover, and then we're going to put it into the EK Civic. I did want this car to be on the road as soon as possible because of the FN2 and the Touareg. Those are priority at the moment. Why did we buy the Touareg in the first place? So we did have a Mitsubishi L200, but unfortunately that broke down. The crankshaft is broke or something. And it just sounds like a boat and you can't even drive it. So we had to park that up temporarily at another place. Then we got the A6 onto the road. We turned that into a rig. We installed the tow bar, we put it into the car, and that was really good. But because that car wasn't intended to be a rig to move cars, that was supposed to be a sleeper build that we're going to be doing on the channel very soon. And I ain't going to tell you how it's going to work out. If you know what an Audi A6 is capable of, you know. We're going to use the Touaregs as the means of moving cars about with the trailer. The trailer is probably one of the best investment we've got on the channel to moving cars about. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, drop a comment down below. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.